This is her being productive. Thought you were gonna adult.
Does adulting include tanning?
No. Includes laundry.
I'm not gonna adult.
Alright, so this is Alex. You guys haven't seen him in a while. What was it? The last thing we did was, what?
You're so weird.
You're weird. What are you doing over there? You're not doing anything today. You're being lazy.
I'm gonna find a friend to tan with.
Rocky?
No.
I'll spank him. Well, he's back. He hasn't been here in a while on the channel. Gave up on us. Gave up on his WRX. It's broken.
It's expensive.
Maybe you guys could help out and see what is wrong with it.
What's wrong with
We'll
it?
show him.
Nothing.
So first we're going to remove the snorkel. 2 clips. Real easy. Should be easy. And hopefully I still have 2 clips after. So we just took out that. Well, we took out this bolt right here. And then we took out the bolt down there. That was in there. And we took out, you loosen these clamps, all 3. Then we had to loosen this clamp right there. Right here. That clamp right there. And also this clamp right here. So we loosen those 3. Now let's take it apart. Here we're going to put the sensor, mass airflow sensor, back on the new intake. Alright, here we're just going to be putting this together right here. See what happens. Cross my fingers.
Verify ignition switch is in the on position, not start. WRX STI.
Please confirm that your vehicle matches the identifier.
Pick your map.
What map do I want? Stage 1 plus SF 93 octane boost select.
Yeah.
Not high wastegate, not low wastegate. Select. Alright, so we're gonna test this. This is the first drive, it's stage 1. So scared. That felt a little different. The pedal wasn't as sensitive, I don't think. That was weird. I had to hit it a little harder than usual. Oh. Feels different when I put it in gear. Feels a little different when I let go of
feels like a little different car.
Alright guys, so it's a few days later. I didn't get to end the vlog on that day, but I'm ending it now, and I've been driving it now for a few days, and I gotta say it's a completely different car. Like, I've seen people's reaction videos to like when they went stage 1, and they were not exaggerating. It's a completely different car. Even when you shift into gears, it feels a lot smoother. It feels good. There's no clunkiness. You feel the power through the whole RPM band. It's a completely different car. It's like it should have came like this. I almost feel like I've been driving this incomplete car this whole time. But thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already for more videos on the STI. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks. Such a beautiful sound.
Palm trees look cool. Can we go now?
It's like the sound of your voice, babe. It's just beautiful. You know what I mean?
That's very kind of you.
Very. It's like when you sneeze. It's so cute.
I'm hungry.
Oh,
Is that cute?
What do you want to eat?
Food.
Like a turkey burger?